Hello and welcome to our channel. I have installed Cloudbot on Windows 10 machine and this is the desktop of Cloudbot. So I am chatting with the Cloudbot and this is the complete UI of the Cloudbot. So let's explore it. So first is the chat and here we can chat with the Cloudbot. Then there is a overview. So this is giving the overview of the system, complete system. And I have one instances, one sessions, and cron is not enabled. So all this information is displayed onto the overview tab. Then we have the channels. Uh, so no channel is in. I have not configured any channels, so it is not showing here. So you can also configure here by this is the instances. I have one instance which is running on Windows 10 desktop. Sessions, there is one session which is connected 1 hour ago, and cron jobs, it is enabled and no cron job is running as of now. Then we have a list of skills. Under agents we have the skills. So there are so many skills available here. You can install it. So this is the coding agent is blocked. I don't know why. Let's see, install this one. So it is saying brew is not installed. I think I will have to install the brew as well. OpenAI Whisper. For all brew is required. So later I will install brew and then show you how. This is the node. Two nodes are connected. Now we can go to the config section, and in the config section we have all settings, environment setting is there. This is for update and this is for agent. Authentication, channels, messaging. So it's really a big application. Then we can configure hooks like Gmail, internet, internal mappings. Tools we have agent to agent communication, then allows. Gateway is this. So this is the debugging message. Health is okay. You can also see the logs. To documentation, you go click here and you will open the documentation page here. So this is the documentation page. From here you can learn a lot. It has got getting started documentation, wizard, setup, pairing, Claude, showcase. Uninstallation information. If you want to uninstall it, you just have to Cloudbot uninstall and it will uninstall from your system. There is option to deploy using the Docker as well. Deploy on railway. Deploy on render. So these are the different commands that you can run on the terminal. Chatbot status. Sorry, Cloudbot status. It will give me the status. It is running for 1 hour. Cloudbot status all. So Cloudbot is really a very big application, and you can see through its interface only that it has so many features. In future videos, I will explore more and keep updating you guys. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.